Imagine for a moment that you could learn to be relaxed in 30 seconds or less when there's every reason not to be. Where could you use it? Well, you could use it for sales presentations when it comes time to closing sales. And if you feel like you're getting nervous, to be able to relax so you know how to perform under that set of circumstances. You could use it to give presentations, debates, arguments, or even if you just want to drive the car more effectively. Now, you might be thinking, what the hell does this have to do with my fitness business or running a fitness business? Well, it has everything to do with it. The way you say things, the way you deliver your message to a particular niche market will be the difference between people paying attention and wanting your solution or outcomes, or totally switching off because you just sound like everybody else. Now, with that example I just gave, it's a process that took me 18 minutes to learn the actual strategy. And if I was to keep doing that for 3 days a week, I would notice that the way that I deal with stress, my ability to perform under pressure when it counts most, will greatly increase within 2 weeks. Now, what I could have said is, hey, you know what would be really good for you to learn? Some version of meditation so you can become a bit more at peace, you can be a bit calmer. Now, which one are you going to take more or pay more attention to? Well, probably the first version. So that's exactly what we need to do in your business. How do you deliver your brand messaging? How do you get your message across that's going to attract and appeal to people? And it's where so many businesses fail. They don't understand how to get their correct messaging across to a particular type of client or niche market. And what that means then is that everything they do, their marketing on Facebook, ads, website, Facebook page, Facebook groups, they're really letting themselves down and doing them a disservice because they're not able to articulate correctly the way they need to message their business, to put it in the best possible light, to give themselves the best chance of attracting their ideal client. So what's critically important in business is, how do we get our message across? What's our brand strategy? What do we stand for? And who are we trying to talk to get their attention? Again, without that, we're going to be the best kept secret. And if you don't want to be the best kept secret, then what's really important is to understand how to do this part effectively. At the end of the day, we're all in a marketing and sales business. We're going to be great at what we do. We're going to over-deliver, be exceptionally great at that area. But if we can't get people's attention, we can't get that message across effectively, then we're always also going to be the best kept secret.